Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. I am Lloyd from Nagar branch. In this class, I will tell you 3D modeling. What is the 3D modeling? The process of creating a mathematical representation of any surface of an object in 3 dimensions by using special software is called 3D modeling. Like we see the drawings in 3D modeling like front view, top view and right side view. So 3D modeling is a solid part. A 3D model can even be represented as two-dimensional image by using 3D rendering process. The user can also create 3D models physically using 3D printers. Autocad have 3D modeling as 3D modeling are available in Autocad. And in today's class, I will tell you basic Autocad like 3D modeling tools. We can see modeling box and mesh, solid editing, draw, modify tools, section, coordinates, views, selection. In this class I will tell modeling tools. And you can see box, cylinder, cone, sphere, pyramid, wedge, torus. So first I will take box. Like this. So you can see visual style controls. You can go and take shaded or shaded with edges or shaded of gray. In difference I will show you like what visual styles. First one 2D wireframe, second one conceptual, third one hidden, like lines will be hidden, fourth one realistic, fifth one shaded with edges, like the edges will be show shaded of gray, the material will be in gray color, sketchy, like draw the model like SketchUp, wireframe, X-ray, like transparent. So you can choose shaded with edges. Next one cylinder. Next one cone. You can specify base radius. I will take 7. Enter, and also given the height I will take like 150, 15. Fourth one sphere, like ball shape. Fifth one pyramid. The cone and pyramid say same to same, but in cone we specify radius, in pyramid we specify base radius. I will take 12, height I will take 15. Next one wedge, like a taper shaped model will be here, taper shape model will be here. Last one torus, like tube shaped model will be here. We create tubes In 3D modeling, we use torus. So this is the basic 3D modeling commands. Thank you for everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our CAD NEST YouTube channel.